Right, this is the first time I've started the car up for a couple of weeks, just to show you what it's like. See, by the temperature gauge, it hasn't been started, the engine's cold. Mileage is 95,000. You can hear the engine knock. Starts fine. Meant to be a camshaft knock. Camshaft seems to be knocking from the back. Back left hand bank.